Tom here from Central Jersey Security Cameras. Today I'm going to show you our advanced reporting and analytics system with our LPRs, or license plate recognition cameras. Our license plate recognition cameras are high-speed cameras that can identify license plates on moving vehicles. Whether it's day or night, the vehicle's moving at 70 miles per hour, or the high beams are looking right into the lens of the camera, this is effective at clearly identifying the license plate on the vehicle. This makes them perfect for gated communities, malls or shopping centers, or even private businesses that want to track who's coming to and going from their property. Let's take a look.
So here I am viewing some cameras on our Platinum web interface. I'm going to click on the tab up top that says File. Once on the File page, I'm going to navigate to Camera and select our LPR entrance camera. This is the camera that I want to view all events from. Under Event Types, I'm going to scroll all the way down to All Types for the sake of this demonstration. Select the start and end time that you'd want to view from your camera feeds, and hit Search. Here you'll see that a list populates with all of our captures from the dates that we specified. On the right-hand side, there's a column with eyeballs. Clicking that shows you the preview of the capture. This is perfect because right in the browser, you get an image preview of exactly what the camera captured. Below, you'll even see some detailed information, such as the time it was captured, the license plate information, and a description of the vehicle.
If you want to learn more about license plate recognition cameras or any of the other services that we offer, call us today at 732-333-0227 or visit our website, centraljerseysecuritycameras.com.